Welcome to Wild Animal Wonders channel, ready to discover some mind-blowing giraffe secrets? Did you know a giraffe's tongue is purple and reaches 45 centimeters long? That dark color isn't just for show. It protects their tongue from sunburn. 45 centimeters, that's longer than most rulers. Here's something incredible. Giraffes only sleep 30 minutes a day. Just tiny power naps to keep them alert for predators. To pump blood up that massive neck. Their heart weighs 11 kilograms. That's like carrying a bowling ball in your chest. And every giraffe spot pattern is completely unique, just like your fingerprint. No two are exactly the same. Aren't giraffes absolutely amazing creatures? Hit that like button and subscribe for more Wild Animal Wonders. Thanks for joining us at Wild Animal Wonders, produced by Taiwo.